Dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in the chapter of relations and functions. Today we are going to solve these questions from question number 21 to 22. Okay. Let us see these questions. Question number 21. Let greatest integer t, the symbol is greatest integer t, be the greatest integer function of t. Let A be the set of all prime factors of 2310. That means see 2310, if you bring prime factors, the set if you make those prime factors, that set should be A. And function belongs to mapping from A to Z. Be the function, that means see we are giving domain A only. A you are going to find from here. What is the function? The function is this one. F of x is equal to greatest integer of log of x square plus greatest integer of x cube by 5 to the base 2. That means logarithmic base is 2. Inside x square plus again greatest integer, overall greatest integer. That means here 2 times of greatest integer is there. The number of 1 functions from that A to the range. Range how you are going to find? In the function you have to give the domain A. Let us see. Not tough question, easy question only, but little bit what we can say laborious question. Let us see. First of all, find this set A. Set A how you are going to find? 2, 3, 1, 10 prime factors you have to find. Okay, with 2. 2 ones, 2 ones, 2 fives, 2 fives, then with 5. Okay, 5 twos, 5 threes, 5 ones, then with 3, 3 sevens, 3 sevens, then with 7, 7 elevens. Okay, that means shall I write like this? Set A belongs to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the domain. Now see, range you have to find. Each one you submit in this, but very carefully you have to do this here. Okay, very carefully. See, f of 2. Because see, you have to do A one input to A only. A is this one. Okay, prime factors of this. F of 2 is equal to, see, greatest integer of log of base 2 we have to write afterwards. See, x square means what you are going to do? 2 square plus 2 cube by 5. But this 2 cube by 5 will be inside this greatest integer function. Then close ordinary parenthesis, afterwards put this base 2 and again greatest integer. Okay, carefully you have to do this. See, 8 by 5. 8 by 5. Fraction is going to come, but you have to give integer. Why? Because integer is there. See, 2 cube is 8. 10 by 5 is 2. Eight by 5 is less than 2. Less than 2 means greatest integer what you have to write? 1 only. That means 1. Log of 4 plus 1. Base 2 again greatest integer. Understand this concept? Okay? Log 5. So base 2 but log 5 is there. See, what is log normally? We know 2 cube is equal to 8. This you take as a standard. Log of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. That means we are going to find in logarithms power. Okay. Log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Here you see what is then log 5. Sorry. Log 5 to the base 2. See, 2 cube is 8. 2 power something should be 5. What is that? But it should be inside the what will you say? Greatest integer. Why? Because one greatest integer we have closed, another greatest integer we have to close now. How you are going to close? Okay, see, one thing I want to tell. See, 2 power 1 is equal to 2, 2 power 2 is equal to 4, 2 power 3 is equal to 8. Here 2 power 2 is equal to 4. But 4 is not there, greater than 4 is there. But 2 power 3 is equal to 8. 8 is not there. That means less than 8 and greater than 4 is there. Then less than 3 and greater than 2 you have to take. Greater than 2, even if you take also 2 only going to come. That means here 2 is your answer. Okay, this answer is 2 directly. Here you have to write it directly. Why? Because see, you need not calculate this. Why? Because greatest integer function. Now see, remaining f of 3, f of 5, 7, 11 and all we can do little bit faster. This much time we need not take. Let us do f of 3. F of 3. Log, see 3 square 9, okay, plus 3 cube 27 by 5. This is greatest integer, again overall greatest integer. Okay. See, 25 by 5 is 5. 30 by 5 is 6. But 30 is not there. That is why greater than 5, but the greatest integer function is going to make is 5 only. 5 plus 9, 14. Log of 14 by base 2, but this should be inside the greatest integer function. Okay, now we know 2 power 4 is 16. 2 power 4 is 16. 2 power 3 is 8. Greater than 8 and less than 16 is there. Answer is 3 should come. Why? Because 4 should not come. 16 is not there. That is why 3. That means f of 2 has come 2, f of 3 has come 3. Now go for f of 5. F of 5. F of 5. Log of, see 5 square 25. Okay? 5 square, 5 cube 125 by 5. But this should be greatest integer. And close this thing. Here you have not closed. Greatest integer. Again 2 base 2. That is equal to log of base 2. Okay, now what is this 125 by 5 value? 25 only. 25 plus 25, 50. See, 2 power 5 is 32. 2 power 6 is 64. Now you tell me what will be this answer? 5 only. Why? Because see, 64 is not there. That is why less you have to take greatest integer. 5 only you have to take. This will be the 5 answer. That means see what you have observed here. F of 2 has come 2. F of 3 has come 3. F of 5 has come 5. But F of 7 will not come 7. Let us see what will come. Let us go for f of 7. Okay. Log of base 2, 7 square 49 plus 7 cube 343. Okay, 343 by 5. But this should be under greatest integer. Close ordinary parenthesis, again greatest integer. Log to the base 2. 49 you keep like this only. Now you tell me what is the, see, 350 means 70. 350 means 70. 340 means what will come with 5? 5 6s are 30, 43. 5 8s are 43. 68 point something. But you take 68 only. Okay, because greatest integer we are taking 68 only. 68 plus 49. 17. 117. 10 plus 1, 11. Yes, 17. Okay, 117 will be your total. But you tell me 2 power, what we can say? 6 is 64. 2 power 7 is 128. 117 is less than 128. That is why you take 6 only. Understand? Now what you have understand? F of 7 has come 6, not 7. Now go for last one. 11. F of 11. F of 11. Greatest integer of log to the base 2. 11 square 121 plus 11 cube 1331 by 5. This is greatest integer, close parenthesis, again greatest integer. Okay, 121 into 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22 plus 1, 23. 11 ones are 11 plus 2, 13. 13, 31, correct. Okay. Now we are going to deal with 13, 31 divided by 1, 5. Okay, 5 twos are 10. 3, 33. 5 6 are 30, 31. 5 6 are 30. Okay, 266. 266 plus 266 plus 121. 266 plus 121. 7, 8, 387. Log of 387 base 2, but this should be under greatest integer. Greatest integer. What is the answer? See, 2 power 6 is 64, 2 power 7 is 128, 2 power 8 is 256. Okay? 2 power 9 is 512. Less than 512. Then you take 8 only. You take 8 only. Why? Because 8 is 256, but greatest integer. Greatest integer you have to take exactly integer. Okay, now come back. Now you write down. Why? Because see, now 1 function from A to range of f. What is range of f? Range I am writing once again. Range is equal to set 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. This is range. Now see, what is A? A already I have written A. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Range is 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. Now how many 1 functions will be there from A to C? A to this range. Like that is the question. See here, one logic I want to tell. I will write here. Observe carefully. See here, five elements are there. Here also 5 elements are there. Okay. Say here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Here what is there? 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. Okay. 1 function means see 2 can have relation with 2 or 3 or 5 or 6 or 8. Any one. Once you have given 2 chance for 5, then 3 is having only 4. Understand? First number is having how many? 5. Second number 1 already occupied by this 2, but for 3 only 4 will be there. Chances. For 5 only 3 will be there. For 7 only 2 will be there. For 11 only 1 will be there. This is the number. 20 into 6, that is equal to 120. Understand? 120 will be your answer. Let us go for next question.